Good morning. Welcome to Snakey-tails. I'm Sneaky.
Now I'm Big Sneaky.
And today, we're going to learn the easy math ones today. Hope you're ready. Yeah. Let's begin. Always 0 plus 1.
What?
Easy. You hope you guys got it too. Now, 2 plus 2.
4. Easy.
Shh.
That's
3 plus 3. Come on. Come on. 5. No. Hey, help him. Yell it about. Do this.
6.
There you go. Break this up, right? Guess. Sorry, my memory's not the greatest. Okay. Let's go a little harder. We'll go. 5 plus 6 is really out. Okay? Yeah. Well,
5 is 5 is 10. Come on. Yes, one more.
come on.
Another 10.
Okay, no, Treaty. Yep. Hope you guys are doing good, Matt, too. Just follow along. Baby Snake is in school. He's learning. And I'm full to my brain's connect a bit. This is yum. You can tell my thing is missing tunnel. That's how you know I'm old. And Baby Snake does not control his tongue. But he's getting there. Okay, next. Let's change it up a little bit. After Western 5, room step is minus 2. This is different. You see, it's winter. Oh, I mean, based on the same, but
It's just they did it differently. Wait, what was that, Sadie?
5 minus 2. Come on, you guys just. Oh, no.
It's a 3.
Yes. Good job. Damn. Okay, you a little harder, a little easier.
Little or something. 10. Harder.
They're harder. Yeah. 3. 9, cause 9 is working on Shh, you can get this one. Shh. Here is now. Do fish not do so. Do 9. Do 1 from that 9. Each 10. Just the rest of the 8.
There's 8 until we're 18.
Yeah, that's how we going to do it. But yeah, it's been a lot. Don't do that. Yes, you did. Stop down. Chip. But you got this. What have you learned? You asked me something now. What have you learned? Now you ask me something.
At school?
Yeah, at school.
Well, I have learned what 2 times 2 is.
Ooh, I used to know this one.
2 times 2. Oh, see that thing? Don't see that.
That's an old brain. 8. Oh, I'm falling number 2. I'm proving.
Perfect. Not so. No, 4 buttons in your heading of it.
What is it?
It's 4. Connected. So 2 times 2. So you go 2. That's 1, and then 2 plus 2 more is 4. So 2 times 2, 4.
It's the accent. So what? I knew that. It's I'm for it. Okay, that's the end of the day because it's free. I need my nap now. And baby's thinking needs that. Look at that. Bye.